Hello, this is Dave Dio from Arcom Digital, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace a cradle and cradle clip retainer for the new high-split Navigator Plus. To accomplish this, you will need a new high-split cradle and retainer assembly and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Start by removing the 4 Allen head screws and washers from the new cradle assembly. Next, remove the original Navigator Plus and disconnect both the RF and power cables from the cradle. Now, again using the Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws holding the old cradle to the mounting arm. Next, I'm going to reverse the process and install the new cradle and clip assembly. First screw, second screw, don't forget the washer, third screw, and fourth and final screw. Now go back and snug them all down. Reconnect the power and the RF cables. Finally, loosen the Velcro strap and install your new Navigator Plus. And there is how to replace a cradle for the new high-split Navigator Plus.